Hey, hello to a new CrocFIX video tutorial. We have here the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE edition. As you see, the phone looks very nice, but we can't use it because it's locked with a screen lock. So if you have a PIN number and you forgot it, a password, or the pattern to draw, the lines, and you forgot it, so you can use this video to unlock your phone again. I will show you the procedure how it's done. Keep in mind that this can be done only with resetting the phone. So all data on the phone will be lost, deleted. Your phone will be like brand new. And if you had previously a backup in your cloud, you can get it back. If you didn't have a backup, then I'm sorry, there is no other way to unlock the phone. And you will also need your Gmail account and your password associated with this phone to activate the phone over the Wi-Fi after this unlock. Okay, so when we are done with this procedure, when you first connect it to your Wi-Fi, it will ask you again to enter the password, PIN or pattern, but you can click on use my Google account instead and you can unlock it with that. But if you stole the phone or found the phone, just bring it to the police, so it will reach the properly owner. Okay, so let's go to unlock the phone. I would like to say also that I put really a lot of time and effort to make these videos for you guys, so I would appreciate if you can maybe donate for a coffee or so I can make more videos. Thank you. Okay, let's go. So what you will need to unlock this phone is the phone itself and then an USB-C cable connected to a device. It can be a laptop, a computer, a Mac, gaming console, TV, another phone, tablet or whatever, but not a charger. So why that? Because the programmers did something that it needs a signal here. So this is basically why, okay? So now let's go. What we need to do is following. We need to press all three buttons firstly to restart the phone. You press volume up, volume down. This looks like one button, but it has two functions. If you press it up, it's volume up. If you press it down, it's volume down. And this is the power button, okay? So if we press all three buttons here and hold them, the phone will restart. And when it restarts, we need to release some combination again. So it takes time, maybe it won't work for the first time, so you need to try more times. But you will be successful if you do it like I do. I will show you now if you press the wrong buttons, what happens. You can come into download mode, which is a green screen. Don't worry, you can restart the phone and try again, okay? So firstly, turn on the screen, press volume up, volume down and the power button together and hold these three buttons. Hold these three buttons, still hold, hold, hold and hold, still holding. Now release the power button. You see, you came into the download mode. So this mode is not for you actually. You need to get out of it. So what we need to do, to cancel, we click volume down. So click volume down and this will restart the phone. I wanted just to show you because many YouTubers come into this download mode and they ask me, I see a green screen now, what should I do now? Nothing, you just click on volume down, the phone will restart and then you can try again from the beginning. Okay, now we just wait for the phone to restart again. Okay, now when it's restarted, we go again, but now we do it properly. Turn on the screen, we will press all three buttons here. But when the phone restarts, you will see first Samsung here, the writing Samsung, and then the Samsung Galaxy underneath. When you will see Samsung Galaxy, we will release some button combination. So, firstly, we press all three buttons, so the phone restarts. When it restarts, you will release, again, I will just wait. Because turn on the screen first so you see when it will restart. When it will restart, we will release the volume down button, but keep holding volume up and the power button until we see Samsung Galaxy. Immediately when you see Samsung Galaxy, you release all buttons. Okay, got you? I mean, you got me? First, turn on the screen, all 3 buttons pressed, waiting, 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 waiting. Okay, the phone restarts, release volume down, keep the other 2 buttons. Samsung Galaxy, release all buttons. Now we should come into the recovery menu. Depends which system is on it. If it didn't work like this, then we will try another thing. Okay, I think this didn't work for this button combination as well. So we will try another thing. We will restart the phone and then we will just release all buttons except the volume up button. We will keep the volume up button, okay? So let me try again. Let's go. Press all 3 buttons and hold them. Now release volume down, and now release volume down and the power button, and keep holding volume up button. There we go. So we came into the recovery menu. So when the phone restarts, release volume down and the power button, but keep holding volume up button. That's the key. Then you will come into the recovery menu. When you are in the recovery menu, then you scroll with the side buttons here. So you can go down and up with the side buttons. We need to go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. So we click on Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm with the power button, okay? And then again, you go down and confirm. Once again, all data will be lost. Unfortunately, we can't do it another way. When you're here, you click on to confirm with the power button, you leave the phone working. So formatting data, wipe cache, the data wipe completed. So it made a factory reset and we can restart the phone now. You see here reboot system now, and you click confirm with the power button. So the phone will be restarting now and it will be going into the Android system. It will show you the basic screen like when you just firstly powered on the phone if you bought it new. So you will need to follow the on-screen instructions, connect to Wi-Fi, and then as I said, you need to enter your Gmail and password associated with this phone to unlock it. If you don't know it, I'm sorry, this way is only to show you how to remove the screen lock if you know your Gmail account and password. Let me know in the comments if it did work for you. If you want to say thank you, donations are much appreciated, and I see you in the next video. Your CrocFIX. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.